Let our voices reach all nations far and wide, sharing love and sacrifice is our constant guiding light. Lionism, our immortal pride. With every step, we're standing side by side. Love and service to all mankind do we bring, of hope and healing, together we sing. Hail the Lions, Philippines, loud and clear our cry. We said, we will fight to the last with all our might. To the lowly and the poor, give them love